So today we are going to discuss the types of farming. The first one is subsistence farming or subsistence agriculture. It is a mode of agriculture in which a plot of land produces only enough food to feed the family or small community working it. All produce grown is intended for consumption purpose as opposed to market sale or trade. Historically and currently, a difficult way of life, subsistence farming is considered by many a backward lifestyle that should be transformed into industrialized communities and commercial farming throughout the world in order to overcome problems of poverty and famine. Yes. The numerous obstacles that have prevented this state suggest that a complex array of factors, not only technological but also economic, political, educational, and social, are involved. An alternative perspective, primarily from the feminist voice, maintain that the subsistence lifestyle holds the key to that the subsistence lifestyles sustainably as human relationships and harmony with the environment have priority over material measures of wealth. Although the poverty suffered by many of those who have never developed beyond subsistence level of production, and farming is something that needs to be overcome. It does appear that the ideas inherent in much of subsistence farming, cooperation, local, ecologically appropriate, as positive attributes that must be preserved in our efforts to improve the lives of the people throughout the world. A harsh way of living, subsistence farmers can experience a rare surplus of goods under condition of good weather, which may allow farmers to sell or trade such goods at market. Because such surpluses are rare, subsistence farming does not allow for consistent economic growth and development. The accumulation of capital or the specialization of labor. Diets of the subsistence communities are confined to little else than what is produced by community farmers. Subsistence crops are usually organic due to the lack of finance to buy or trade or for industrial inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, or genetically modified seeds. Yes. So, intensive farming agriculture, dominated by wet paddies, practiced mostly in the monsoon areas. In this agricultural typology, the size of holding is generally very small. Farm size are also very small, and they, through many generations, have been subdivided so that they have become extremely small, often uneconomic to run. An average farm in Japan is 0.6 hectare, and in some parts of Kerala and West Bengal, it is even smaller. Individual peasants can grow crops mainly to support their families, though there may be some surplus for the sale which fetches some amount for the farmers, just like secondary and tertiary needs.